Hey guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to be tackling a task that I have been honestly avoiding. We are going to be working on our garage, and the garage is a space that I use all the time. It's my workshop, it's also where I work out, so we really use it pretty much every day or very regularly, but it's also very chaotic and it happens very quickly because I'm someone where when I'm working on a project, I really don't like cleaning up after myself and putting things back where they belong, so it gets very messy very fast. We are going to be organizing the garage this week and doing some little updates to hopefully make it a little bit better. The space is never going to be super beautiful and organized just because of how it's set up. It's a very old garage, so it just kind of is what it is, but we're gonna make the best of it and try to figure out a system to make it a little bit more neat and give us a little bit more space. If you are interested in updating and organizing my garage with me, then make sure to like and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube shows you more of my videos, and we are going to get right into it. This week we're going to be organizing the garage. We're also going to be adding in a new AC unit, so I'm super excited about that, and I'm honestly just excited to get this project done and have the space look a little bit better and be a little bit more functional. The garage is definitely one of those spaces that kind of just becomes a catch-all for everything, and anytime that we finish a project or don't know what to do with something, we end up coming up with the conclusion of we'll just put it in the garage and then deal with it later, and now is that later. So what was a future me problem is now a current me problem, and we are gonna have to figure it out. I want you to keep in mind that it is definitely messy, it's definitely chaotic. We also just built 2 new shelving units to go in there to help organize things, so they're just in the middle of the garage right now. So try not to judge the space too hard. It is a workshop, but this is what it's looking like right now. And honestly, at this point, I don't even know what's in half of these boxes. I feel like a lot of it is old decorations and holiday decor that I probably don't even use anymore. So we need to go through a lot of this and hopefully get rid of some things, and also just kind of consolidate because everything's spread out into a million different bins and boxes, so we need to put everything together into groups. And if you ever wondered where all of the leftover supplies and things that I haven't used yet for projects go, this is it. It all goes to the garage and just kind of collects out here until I'm ready to use it. We're in the garage and it is just absolute chaos. It's crazy out here. But before we get into all of the organizing and that part of the garage project, there's something very important that we need to do, and we need to do it first. So our old garage air conditioner finally gave out on us, and living in Florida, that's definitely not ideal. It's very, very hot here, kind of year round, but especially right now in the summer, and especially if you are going to spend the next couple of hours in the heat out here in the garage. Like, if you can tell, I'm already sweating and I've been out here literally minutes. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to be replacing our old garage AC with a new one from Garvee. And I've actually worked with Garvee quite a few times before, and they're one of those brands that I really enjoy working with because I absolutely love all of their products. They have a huge range of products and all of them are really good quality. I've gotten things from a bunch of different categories on their website and I absolutely love them all. So I'm really excited to swap out our AC with one from Garvee so that we can actually cool this place down and not be melting like I am right now. Let's get our AC swapped out first because I don't think I'm gonna survive this garage clean out without doing that. So this is Garvee's 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, and it's designed to cool spaces up to about 750 square feet, which makes it a really great option for garages, workshops, bonus rooms, or really any larger space that doesn't have central air. One thing I really like is that it does more than just cool the room. It also has a fan and dehumidifier modes, which honestly might be my favorite feature living in Florida because sometimes it feels like you're fighting the humidity just as much as the heat. Like, it can literally feel like you're swimming when you're just going for a walk outside. It also has auto swing, which helps it to circulate the air around the room. And I really love that because if it's just in one spot, then you're not going to be cooled down when you're in the garage. So having it rotate really helps to cool down the entire space. It has multiple fan speeds, a remote control, and a 24-hour timer. So once everything's set up, you can pretty much just leave it alone and let it do its thing. I was also pleasantly surprised by how straightforward the installation was. It came with everything we needed for the window, and it really didn't take nearly as long as I was expecting. The installation process was pretty quick and easy, so we were able to cool the space down pretty fast. And it's already starting to cool down in here, which is perfect because now we have to deal with all of this mess. So if you are looking for a new AC for your home, shed, garage, workshop, bonus room, whatever it is, I would definitely recommend checking out Garvee. This AC is amazing. It's already cooling down the space and it's only been a few minutes. So I will link all of the information for this AC below for you guys so that you can check them out. Okay, so we have it all set up. It was pretty easy to do. All we had to do was put the little plastic thing in the window, attach the tubing, and then plug it in and turn it on, and we were good to go. And it also has an option where you can attach this little tube and put it above the port for the AC to go out, and it'll be a dehumidifier as well, so you can switch between the two, which I really like. And as you can hear, it's on right now and it's pretty quiet. I also have it on oscillating, so it'll go up and down, which is really nice because it kind of gets it like all throughout the room instead of just in one area. It goes down to 64. It also has a bunch of really cool features like timers, sleep mode. You can do just a fan, you can do the dehumidifier, a bunch of really cool things. So I'm really loving it. I'm super happy to have it all set up because it is very hot out. I have been sweating just in the short amount of time it takes to set this up. I mean, you sweat in like minutes here. So I'm very happy to have this set up. It's already starting to cool down in here, which is amazing. We are going to continue on with our journey of organizing the garage. We will show you guys how it's looking when we're all done. Oh my gosh, guys, we did it. We are done with cleaning up the garage. It's definitely not completely finished or completely perfect. We still have some things that we want to do here and there to kind of fix it up and finish going through things, but it is a huge improvement. I'm so happy with the progress we've made, and we were able to get rid of a bunch of stuff. We emptied out like multiple bins so that we have some extra space and got everything onto shelves so that we have like a ton more floor space, which I really love because we can move around, we can work on projects, and we have more room for working out because we do box out here and like do core work and stuff like that. So it's really, really nice to have the extra floor space and just to not feel so like claustrophobic out here. And it looks so much better. Now it's not embarrassing to show people the garage. We'll be able to show them and it's actually organized and you can move around. So I love that. Honestly, I think getting the shelving made the biggest difference because it gave us that little bit of extra storage space that we really needed to just get rid of random cabinets and storage things that we didn't need, but we kind of makeshifted to make it work. Now we actually have real shelves that we can put everything on so that everything has a home. And that really helps me because if things have a place, then it's not as hard for me to put everything back when I finish a project. Before it was kind of like everything was scattered, so I really didn't see the point in trying to put everything back neatly because it wasn't neat to begin with. So this will be much easier for me to keep up with. Honestly, having the AC running while we were working made such a huge difference. It was so much more enjoyable. I literally felt like I was melting away before we installed the AC, and now the space is noticeably cooler. We aren't sweating in here anymore. We can actually do things and not feel like we're going to, you know, be dehydrated and get heat stroke out here. So it was so nice to have that. And especially in Florida, like if you're doing anything outside in your garage, you really need to have AC, fans, something to help you because it's just so hot. And I know we're gonna get a ton of use out of it because we really are out here all the time. Like between projects and exercising and just random things, we spend so much time coming in and out of the garage. It'll be really nice to have it be cool and pleasant when we come out here instead of just like a wave of heat. So a huge thank you to Garvee for partnering with me on today's video. I really, really love working with them. They are such an amazing brand. They have such good products. So if you are interested in getting an air conditioner for your space or any other things that you might need for outdoors, patio, garden, that sort of thing, definitely check them out. They have a really, really good selection of products and they're also really high quality. So I'll link their information in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. And thank you guys so much for sticking it out with me in today's garage reset. I know it was a little bit of a jump scare, a little bit scary coming out here at the beginning, but we made it through and it's so much better now. It's definitely very rewarding to be able to get to the end of this project and have it done. So don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think of this week's video and the garage makeover. And honestly, let me know if your garage was as crazy as mine was, because that would make me feel a lot better to know that other people also struggle with keeping up their garage and finding a spot for everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday.